How to build yourself when no one is watching. Most people wait to be built by life, by luck, by opportunity, by someone noticing them. But real growth doesn't happen that way. You build yourself in silence. You build yourself when no one is clapping, when no one is checking on you, when quitting would be easy and continuing feels pointless. Building yourself starts with one decision: to take responsibility for who you're becoming. Not tomorrow. Not when things are perfect. You don't build yourself by doing everything at once. You build yourself by doing small things consistently. Reading when it's boring. Learning when it's uncomfortable. Practicing when progress feels slow. That's where strength is formed. You won't feel confident at the beginning. Confidence is built after action, not before it. So act while scared. Move while unsure. Every skill you learn becomes a brick. Every habit you protect becomes a foundation. Every excuse you resist becomes discipline. And here's the truth most people avoid. No one is coming to save you. But that's not bad news. That's power. Because it means your future is in your hands. You don't need to be loud. You don't need to rush. You just need to show up. 1 hour a day. One skill at a time. One promise kept to yourself. Over time, that version of you, the focused one, the disciplined one, the calm one, will feel unrecognizable. Not because you changed overnight, but because you built yourself daily. So start where you are. Use what you have. Do what you can. Build quietly. Grow patiently. Because the strongest people you admire were once exactly where you are now, choosing not to stop. And that choice is how you build yourself. If this message spoke to you, kindly subscribe to this channel for more educative and motivational stories, real-life lessons, non-fictional narratives, and philosophy-based insights designed to help you grow quietly and think deeply. Your journey matters, and you don't have to walk it alone.